More fleet managers are realizing they can get preventive maintenance done on site at times when their trucks aren't being used, and that can be a game changer.
The biggest opportunity in the next 6 months is just more folks realizing that they can actually have service done on site around the schedules when their trucks are being used. So you get somebody with vehicles come back to roost. You think of a utility company, an electric utility. They're back end of day, 3:30 in the afternoon. They've been on the road since 6 a.m. Our technician could show up and take care of 5 or 6 PMs that afternoon, and everything's ready to go the next morning. So there's zero downtime there and zero interruption. Ultimately, what that leads to is a better ROI in the fleet. So you're not having to sit on 3 or 4 spare vehicles just depreciating in your yard, waiting for that inevitable breakdown. So you kind of get ahead of it.